the Scottsdale at McCormick Ranch. We are in a non-smoking room, room 376. All right, as you walk in, immediately to your right, you're greeted with a kind of a split bathroom, if you will. You do have a sink, but it's more of a vanity sink because you have a nice little bench down there to sit on. You do have a mirror, and you have your magnifying mirror. And immediately behind this, you do have a closet. Now the closet, it's deep, right? It goes deep, and it's got one clothing rack here and another one in the back. Your safe is up on top. You do have a little hanger here for whatever, purses, bags, jacket. You have your iron and your ironing board, and of course your luggage rack. You have two luggage racks, and this closet, like I said, it runs deep, so you can store a lot of stuff in there. And then it has a full-length mirror on this door right here. So you can what? Check yourself before you wreck yourself. That's right, people. All right. So then if you continue going towards the right, you have the other sink with a longer counter, so more counter space to store stuff, a wider mirror. You do have a little rack there for extra towels. They provide you a blow dryer. So plenty of towels, which is what I like. They do have one of those rounded out, curved out shower curtains, so that way you don't feel too tight in the space. I took a shower this morning. It was nice. And they do provide you with some amenities there. So if you forget something, they've got you covered. You know how I like my hanging options, so they have a little rack there so you can hang your towels. Not a rack, but a hook. And of course you have some over the toilet. And but yeah, it looks like they updated the bathroom for sure. As we walk out back into the main little hallway, you have this little nook here. And they do provide you with some Mods coffee. Keurig style, kinda. Ice bucket. So that's neat. You walk in and you have your main living bedroom area. You have big, two chunky bedside tables with lamps on them. On this side, you do have your clock with two outlets and two USB charging ports. A nice king size bed. It's not the most comfortable bed I've stayed in, but I did have a good night's sleep just because I was exhausted. The pillows, I don't like the pillows. They're just they look big and fluffy, but yeah, not very supportive. My head just kind of sunk into the pillow. You do have your LG TV over here with your remote with plenty of drawer space. This would be where the fridge goes, but as you can tell, there is no fridge. I'm not sure what this is. I haven't looked at that. Extended space. A little desk, chair. Do your office work there, editing, etc. You do have a little kind of like a dining table, but it's kind of odd because you would expect there to be maybe like an additional chair or two so that you can maybe sit and dine at this table, I would think. You have a little chair here with an ottoman. I put my bigger suitcase on that, and I put my smaller suitcase on this, so it worked out fine. On this side, there is no USB or outlets on either lamp, so I had to charge my phone across the way over here at this lamp, which does have two outlets and a high-speed internet connection dial-up jack. So other than that, it comes with this little window bench kind of a thing that served its purpose. We were able to store some of our extra smaller bags. And plantation shutters are views of a parking lot, so not that interesting. But overall, Hoggy, what do you think of the stay?
It's the grounds are what's cool.
Yeah.
So I would venture off and look at the golf course and the pool and all the little fountains and stuff.
Yeah, so I think that's what kind of makes this place worth it. If you're going to be in Scottsdale and you're just going to lounge and
yeah, there's
eat
options
and
for dining.
Swim, yeah.
They're eating, it looks like breakfast out by the golf course. It looks nice.
What? Hello?
Would you like me to play you a tune?
Are you a local pianist?
It says do not play, meeting in progress. But see, this is a sticker. So I think there's a continuous meeting in progress.
Yeah.
That just never ends. So anyway, this is the Scottsdale at McCormick Ranch. It is a Hilton Honors hotel. So I stayed here for a total of 53,000 points. I think for a Friday night that would come out to like $200-300. But I spent my money elsewhere where it was needed, gas, groceries, and my points here. Alright guys, leave a comment down below if you've ever stayed in Scottsdale. What is your favorite hotel to stay while you're in Scottsdale? Let us know what your guys' experience of those places are. Let us know if you ever stayed here at the Scottsdale. Talk to you guys later.